Good day everyone, I'm Jomar D. Guzman, my activity 3. What can't we do to reduce its negative impact on the environment if you were to make produce or sales sustainable and environmental friendly product? What will it be? There have been virus benefits associated with e-commerce. However, it does affect the environment negatively. First, exclusive packaging is an issue in the e-commerce where customers receive their online purchase in exclusive plastic braille works and cardboard material. Moreover, delivery service for these online orders emit carbon in the air through the operation of trucks, motorcycles, among others. Therefore, it affects the environment through water generation and pollution of the atmosphere, which greenhouse gas. I'm Jomar D. Guzman, my activity 3. Thank you.